Okay, what I start off doing is folding this in half, and once I measure it, because I'm measuring it for a head that is 23 inches, I'm going to measure it out at 22 inches in width, and the length I'm going to do 20 because I want it to be pretty long. And as you can see, I'm measuring the length out in 20 inches. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut at the 20-inch mark. And after cutting at the 20-inch mark, I'm just going to go ahead and cut the entire garment off of the elastic that I have. Now this knit that I'm using is, it might be a 4-way stretch, but you can always use a 2-way. Either way, just make sure see that side right there is stretchy, because that's what's going to go around your head. And I'm turning it inside out, as you can see. And what I will be doing is stitching it all the way down the side. That whole 20-inch side, I'm going to stitch it. You can either do a stitch with the sewing machine or serger. Then what you can do is fold it twice and do a hem around it, or you can just use a serger to do the ends. And as you can see, this is what I already stitched. You can see I did along the side with the serger, and the other two sides I decided to go ahead and use the serger as well. I can always fold it and stitch it, to add a hem to it, but this is just an easy, simple way to create a sock lock.